APEC WFS-1000 Supercapacity Premium Quality 3-Stage Under-Sink Water Filter System. This APEC WFS-1000 filter is the best under-sink water filter system for most homes. It's an Amazon choice, and with the specifications, it's no mystery why. The filters are long life, so you won't need to replace them every month. It filters in 3 stages, and there is a 1-year guarantee in satisfaction, but the best feature is the lifetime support. The systems are built to last, and lifetime support is important when it comes to needing repairs, because this is one of the more expensive models. Know that it's regularly cheaper to fix water filters than to replace them. Keep this in mind when making your purchase decision. You might pay more now, but save more money in the years to come. The filters should last for about 1 year. If you find yourself replacing them more often, take advantage of the lifetime support to find out why. Heavy use could lead to more frequent filter change, but the APEC has a reputation for holding up to high usage well.